Imagine a forest so vast it creates its own weather. This is the Amazon rainforest, and right now we are losing it every minute, threatening our biodiversity. The Amazon is more than just a rainforest. It is home to millions, including nearly 2.2 indigenous people who are deeply connected to the forest, protecting this ecosystem for generations. At the same time, it also contains nearly 10% of the world's known species on Earth, where the rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. The Amazon also plays a critical role as a carbon sink. The CO2 in the atmosphere is absorbed by trees through photosynthesis, which is then stored within trunks, roots, and rainforest soils, keeping large amounts of carbon away. This helps to reduce the buildup of greenhouse gases and the impact of climate change. The forest also helps to generate and distribute its own rainfall. Water from the Atlantic Ocean evaporates into the atmosphere, and the winds carry this moisture towards the forest, where the trees release water vapor, adding to the moisture in the air. The vapor form clouds and rainfall to sustain surrounding ecosystems and agriculture across South America. But today, this vital ecosystem is rapidly declining, where deforestation across the Amazon is expanding, and by 2023, an estimated 18% of the forest is already lost. Behind the decline lies a few factors contributing to deforestation. The largest driver by far is cattle ranching, responsible for around 80% of deforestation to create grazing land for livestock. Soy farming is another major contribution driven by global demands for animal feed and agricultural exports. Illegal logging play another significant role removing valuable hardwood trees. Mining activities and infrastructure development also contribute in cases of causing pollution and further clearing. Scientists warn that this would reach a tipping point of 25% where the rainforest may no longer be able to recover if this continues. However, there are still ways to reduce deforestation and help protect the rainforest. One important step is reducing the demand for products linked to cattle farming. Choosing meat alternatives can help decrease pressure for pasture expansion in the Amazon. Supporting the forest conservation initiatives is also critical. Funding trusted projects linked to restoration and protection can help preserve biodiversity while supporting local communities who depend on the forest. Consumers can also make more informed choices by choosing product labels like sustainably sourced soy, cocoa, wood, and paper. Even everyday simple actions matter. Reusing, repairing, and recycling products help to reduce the need for new material, lowering pressure on the forest. But remember, the Amazon is still here with us, but what happens next is what we choose to do now.